Hi guys, so today I just want to let you know this is not clickbait, this is real, and yeah, sorry for everyone who liked me on this game and that, but yeah, let's just get straight into it. Cool, let me get rid of that. Will you go please? Thank you. Okay, I forgot what one it is. For the tense moment. Yeah, by the way, if you didn't know what I'm doing right now, I'm deleting my account. Sad times. Okay. Does that mean I'm deleted? I'll be back and check whether I'm deleted. Okay, so as you know, Hero Queen. Okay. I'll set it up. Okay, let me just quickly put my webcam on. Hi. Okay, I've moved it. My webcam. Look what it says on the screen. Okay, let me quickly. Let me just make sure it's been deleted. I'll be back once I'm logged in. Okay, so I searched up my user and this is what came up. Okay. My account's been deleted, so I mean, what's next? This one? Okay. Yes, I'm sure. Okay, I'm gonna close my email. Close that. And I'm gonna try and log in. And available username or password. Thank you. Oh my god. Is it done? Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. Because I've moved on from MSP, what do you guys want me to do? I have loads of other games. I can buy games, like maybe you want me to try out Fortnite and that. I love you all so much. Peace out. Bye.